Chevrolet Tahoe LTZ, powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine. With a 6-speed automatic transmission, this vehicle is well equipped. This Chevrolet features leather seats, rain-sensing wipers, and 4-wheel drive. Safety features include traction control, 4-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include backup camera, HD radio, satellite radio, third-row seating, and navigation system. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.